There are a couple of useful plugins that you can install for Chrome browser. Sandbox Favicon extension. In real time, you might have to log into Sandbox and production instances at the same time. You will soon have quite a few tabs open and hard to distinguish which tab corresponds to Sandbox and which one to production. This simple extension will add a small S over the Cloud Favicon in your browser's tab. This makes switching between tabs incredibly simple. Another one, Force.com logins. If you have to constantly switch between environments, developer, sandbox, and production, it would be nice to have those logins stored away in an easy-to-use location. This extension will allow you to save and group together all your Salesforce login info and make logging into an instance a single-click process. Let me talk about another extension. This Force.com utility build is jam-packed with different Salesforce functionality. Using this extension, you can quickly access Salesforce documentation, search against specific Salesforce sites, and even convert IDs from 15 to 18 digits. You'll find links to download these extensions in the resources.